A very good morning to dear scholarites. Let's study about matter and its different types from your chapter number 8, materials, metals and non-metals, from your chemistry portion. Okay, so as you know well, what is matter? Any object which is having mass as well as that occupies space is known as matter. Okay, now matter classified into two types of substance, like elements and compounds. Okay, elements, which are the simplified form of any object, is known as elements, whereas compounds are the combining form of elements, right? Also you can say combining form of atoms are known as elements, and atoms are the indivisible particles. And when various elements get combined with each other, they form compounds. Elements like hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, sulfur, all these are the elements. When these get combined with each other in order to form compounds like water, where two hydrogen molecules are used and one oxygen molecule is there. Methane, CH4, where one carbon molecule is there and four molecules of hydrogens are there. When they combine, they forms compounds. Now, the elements are further classified into three types. First is metal, metalloids and non-metal. What are metals? Like sodium and potassium, which are having some physical as well as chemical properties. Okay, metals which are lustrous in appearance, right? Solid in texture, whereas metalloids which contains the qualities of both metals as well as non-metals, that are metalloids. Whereas non-metals are like sulfur, nitrogen, which are soft, which are dull, right? Okay, now we will study the physical as well as chemical properties of metals. If we are talking about the physical properties, means we are talking about their outer appearance. Okay, that how the metal look like when we see them or when we touch them. Okay, so first property is malleable. Malleable, metals are malleable. Malleable means when we used to beat metal, that can be converted into a thin sheets like aluminium foil, which we used for wrapping the food. Second is ductile. When the metals are drawn into wires, that is known as ductiles, that are used in copper cables. Metals are hard. Yes, they are solid. They are hard. They are sonorous. Sonorous means when two metals are beat with each other, they will produce sound, and that sound is known as sonorous. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity, and they show shining appearance. That's why they are lustrous. Okay, these are the physical properties of metals. Now come towards chemical properties. We can check the chemical properties when we react the metal with oxygen, and it will form metal oxide. When the metals are react with water, it will form metal hydroxide. When they are react with acid, they will form salt, as well as hydrogen gas will liberate. When they will react with bases, then metal salt is formed and hydrogen gas will be released out. Okay, so these were the properties of metals, chemical and physical. Now come to the physical properties of non-metals. Okay, so what are the physical properties? They are brittle. Brittle means when you will beat non-metal, they will stuck out into fragments. They are soft in touch, of course, like sodium, that can be cut with the help of knife. Solid, they are also solid. Some of them exist in solid state, whereas some of them exist in liquid state, like mercury, bromine, gaseous. Some are in gaseous state. Okay, they are insulators. They are bad conductor of heat and electricity. That's why they are insulators. They are non-ductile. We can't draw them into a wire. And they are non-lustrous. They are dull in appearance. Okay, so these are the physical properties of non-metals. I hope you have understood it well. Also read thoroughly from your book to understand it better. Thank you. Have a nice day.